Hello everyone, it's Arena coming to you from St. Louis, Missouri. It's a beautiful summer day and I am enjoying a walk in one of my favorite St. Louis parks. I love walking every morning and getting inspired by the beautiful weather, nature, the green fields, the horses. And on this particular day, I thought to myself, why not share a wonderful show-stopping recipe for a cheesecake that pretty much everybody loves. So here is my recipe for one of my favorite cheesecakes. It's called Banana Pudding Cheesecake. And as you will also be able to see, I've included some sped up technique videos. And those are just for you to sort of get familiar with on what exactly I'm doing as I'm describing it in my recipe. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope your guests enjoy it. And please subscribe, enable your notifications, and come back because there are going to be a lot more delicious recipes for your entertaining coming soon.